Artificial intelligence is moving faster than almost anyone can keep up with. So today we're breaking down the 5 highest-rated large language models right now. And we're doing it for everyone. Whether you're a casual user who just wants smart answers, or a developer building real products on top of these systems. Let's start with OpenAI's latest flagship, the GPT 5.6 Soul model. For everyday users, this is the name you already know, the one baked into ChatGPT. It remains the most popular AI tool on the planet simply because of brand recognition and constant feature rollouts like voice, image generation, and deep research. For developers, it shines in computer use and agentic tool tasks, meaning it can operate software and browsers on its own with real skill. The downside? It's no longer the top performer on independent coding and reasoning leaderboards, and heavy users often find the subscription tiers confusing to navigate. Next up is Anthropic's Claude lineup, led by Opus 5 and the higher-end Fable tier. Regular users tend to love Claude for long, thoughtful writing. Regular users love it for its conversational style that feels less robotic. Developers, on the other hand, gravitate toward it for a different reason entirely. It currently leads independent benchmarks in coding, terminal use, and multi-step reasoning, making it a favorite for serious engineering work. The trade-off is price. The top-tier models cost more than competitors, and the ecosystem, while growing fast, is still smaller than OpenAI's. Then there's Google's Gemini 3.1 Pro. This one is the clear winner for anyone dealing with massive amounts of information. Think an entire 900-page PDF or an hour of video uploaded in a single shot. Casual users benefit from its deep integration across Gmail and Docs. Developers appreciate its strength in scientific and abstract reasoning. The catch is that Gemini's interface has historically felt scattered across too many Google products. Grok from xAI rounds out the more experimental end of the top 5. Everyday users are drawn to its more unfiltered personality. It has tight integration with X for real-time information. Developers are watching its early moves into multi-agent systems. The downside is that Grok trails the other frontier labs on several independent leaderboards, and its long-term roadmap is less predictable. Finally, representing the open-source side of the race, we have DeepSeek's V4 models. For regular users, the appeal is simple. It's free and fast. For developers, this is the real story. DeepSeek can be self-hosted, fine-tuned on private data, and run at massive scale without per-token costs. The limitation is that it still runs behind the top proprietary models on reasoning, and self-hosting requires real infrastructure and technical know-how. So which one is right for you? If you want raw brainpower for coding or complex reasoning, Claude currently leads. If you're processing huge files or living inside Google's tools, Gemini is your pick. If you want the most familiar, feature-packed app, GPT 5.6 still wins. If you want real-time information and personality, Grok has its niche. And if budget or data control is your top priority, DeepSeek is hard to beat. There's no single best model anymore, just the best model for what you're trying to do. I'm Marcus. Thanks for watching.